Introduction to UK car insurance. Insurance in the UK is compulsory. The law states that you must insure all vehicles if you drive them or keep them in public places to at least the level of third-party liability. This is unless they have been declared off the road, which can be done if the vehicle is not being used. Car insurance is, therefore, big business in the UK. In fact, there were around £10 billion of premiums in 2018. This makes it one of the biggest motor insurance markets in the world, and there are more car insurance providers in the UK than anywhere else in Europe. There are over 200 car insurance providers in the UK. Some of the biggest include Aviva, AXA, Direct Line, RAC. Types of car insurance in the UK. The three main types of car insurance in the UK are as follows. Third-party liability. This is the minimum legal coverage. It covers all damage caused to third parties and their property. This includes all damage to other vehicles, injury to others, and damage to property, for example buildings or lampposts, in incidents where you or another insured driver of your car is at fault. Third party, fire and theft. This includes all standard third-party liability coverage, plus it also covers repair or replacement costs if your vehicle is stolen or damaged by fire. Some policies also offer to cover damage caused by other accidental damage such as storm damage. Fully comprehensive. The highest level of coverage, which will also pay out for damage to your own car in incidents where you are at fault. Some policies also cover the owner of the policy to drive other vehicles. Although this is the most extensive form of car insurance, most policies will have some exclusions, usually related to intentional damage, so it's important to check that you have the right level of coverage before signing up. Car insurance costs. Car insurance costs in the UK will depend on factors including insurance type, vehicle value, driver age, history and profile, what you will use the vehicle for. The average cost for car insurance in the UK in 2018 was £431 a year. This is among the highest in the EU. You can look to lower your annual car insurance premiums by reducing risks associated with your car, for example, fitting sensors or installing an alarm to reduce the risk of theft. Taking out telematics, also known as black box, insurance that sees a device fixed to your car that tracks your driving habits. If you're a safe driver, you could see reductions on future premiums. Paying the annual amount upfront rather than in monthly installments. Increasing your excess, this is the amount you will need to pay against any claim. For example, if you have an excess of £100 and the value of the claim is £500, the insurer will pay £400. All insurers have a compulsory excess, but you can voluntarily increase this to bring down the premium. If you are a young or inexperienced driver, you can add drivers with a good driver profile to the insurance policy. Applying for car insurance in the UK. To take out car insurance in the UK, you will typically need to provide the car registration number, your address, driving license information, other personal details, age, driving history, etc. Information on what you'll use the car for, business, leisure, etc. Most insurance companies nowadays allow you to take out a policy and provide supporting documentation online. Each company will have its own specific applications procedure, which will be detailed on its website. Once you are insured, you should receive your insurance policy, EU accident statement form, to use in the event of an accident. This may change after the UK leaves the EU. Your insurer may issue you with another type of report form after Brexit. Insurance green card, which is needed if you drive in any country not part of the European green card system. After Brexit, UK drivers may need a valid green card if they drive their car to EU countries. Making a car insurance claim in the UK. If you need to make a claim to your insurer, you should do the following. In the event of an accident, make sure that you contact the police if the accident is serious or anyone is injured. Exchange contact details with any other parties and witnesses. Get the relevant information from the other driver, especially car registration number and insurance policy number. Take photographs of the damage if you can. Fill in your EU accident report form and insurance claim form as soon as you have time. Submit your claim to your insurance company either online or over the phone. Each company will have different exact procedures which they should inform you of when you take out a policy. Car insurance